Don't do that again.
Okay. Okay, brace your ears first of all. Okay, I need to hear this. Give me the headphones. I need to hear this.
It's at maximum volume.
I know it is. I set it to that. It's an airplane. It's a fucking This is an airplane. Hello, we are experiencing turbulence. Okay, I think that's enough. You just actually screamed. Okay. Oh, I need to check. Okay, check it. Okay, is this a good volume?
A little bit down.
Okay.
That's good. That's good. Perfect.
Hello, welcome to some rain roll gameplay. That all was just that all was just some testing.
Pee pee poo poo.
Family.
I love my ball. My son. I'm gonna do some of this. Well, Robert, we don't want to get copyright strike.
Don't worry, I don't
Robert, we don't want to get copyright.
I don't think this will actually cover it. Do you hear it?
What is it?
I don't think it's actually gonna get copyright strike.
Alright, let's do this. Oh, God! Because it went missing, and now it's end. It's just end. It's end. It's end. It's end. Run. Hide. If you hear a bump in the middle of the night, you better pray it's a monster. Because the real monster is mini games! Mini games, mini games, mini games, mini games!
I'ma sing a song.
God, no.
Every day I imagine a future where I can be with you. In my hand is a pen that will write a poem of me and you. It flows down into a dark puddle. Just move your hand right the way to his eye. I forgot.
That is crazy. More subcats,
You do a little gaming.
It's wizard time. So many times. It's wizard time.
Don't mind the random laughing.
It's wizard time, motherfuckers. Slip foot mitosis. Rotund world. Noisy pups. I need. Oh yeah, health bars. I definitely need health bars. Just playing. Jolly co-op.
Are you think it'll be played?
No, so I can make myself green. Green. Alright, we'll apply odds.
I just got an idea.
Every day.
No, it's not that one. It's rainbow bush 25% more green.
Wait, I need to check something.
You need to check the mods.
Toyota.
The fuck?
Well,
Don't mind that, folks.
that's part of our normal exercise.
What do you mean?
Exorcism. I'm not Jax.
I know you hear this.
I'm not Jax.
I never chose to be his friend, totally.
Don't question what that was.
Troubleshooting.
Blah blah blah, whatever. Nerdy crap. Doki doki, whatever you call it. By the way.
Don't mind that.
Don't mind that.
We were doing a little silly.
Yeah, we were doing a little silly, and there's definitely won't be something that goes across the top
Dude.
of the screen.
It was pink and yellow. Spamton G Spamton.
We're so dead.
We are so fucked.
Alan.
We are
so fucked.
There's like torch on your ears right now.
Try and punch it. Here.
Okay, I think that's good. You're just punching your microphone now.
I do that all the time.
Just like a stress relief or what?
Oh no, I just do it.
Okay.
Oh no, it's pink. It's pink and blue.
Pink and blue and purple. It's green.
Green.
It's 25% more green.
No.
It's pink and yellow.
Pink and yellow. 1 second. I forgot to check something.
Spamton cheese Spamton. What is that?
Green world.
Harry Skug.
Search rain world. Will subscribe. Dress my slug cat. Rain meadow.
If you couldn't piece it together, folks, he's searching for a mod that would make it 25% more greener.
Is there none?
I don't think there is. I think that's just an Undertale thing.
Oh.
Probably will spread, though.
It sounds funny.
For you, it's just weird for me. Machine, turn back now.
Alright, whatever.
The layers of this
Finally.
palace
I'll
are
do some
not
rain
for
roll.
your kind. Limbo, lust, all gone. Glutton soon to follow.
The Squid Game!
Oh, that's a little bit much, don't you think?
You think?
Well, go.
Here, let me press the X button.
They died. They died.
Mother long legs.
Oh. And that does death? I'm not too sure. Folks, I haven't played this game like at all. I get too confused somehow.
Yeah, he doesn't know where to go because he's not a hardcore ring world fan.
Yeah, I'm really not.
Which makes him stinky and ugly and poo-poo.
Well, that's a little mean. It's true, but... Joke. It's true, but that's just me.
Womp womp. Cry about it. Mother
Oh.
long legs.
Oh, ruh-roh.
It's the rot. The rot consumes.
Oh, that's a rot. Oh.
Rot!
Are you even here? Do you even exist? It's just like a playground for you to mess around with them right now?
Yeah, basically.
Folks, I am a little stupid when it comes to this game. So don't mind me narrating some things that are dumb.
The rot consumes. I'm putting up their brain cells down.
What? Okay.
Brain cells.
You're merging them.
Oh, okay.
Oh. Okay. They're gonna come back down, I know that, but... I think they died. Oh, wait.
Just be brain.
That's a lot of skugs.
They're all slug pups.
Huh.
That's what the baby versions of Stugs are.
Yeah.
Skug pups.
And what do they do?
Oh no, the Skug.
Okay.
I'm gonna give him explosives. Give the child. Here, I'll do some gameplay for my like 5 viewers that are probably gonna be watching this.
And then just put it in the link.
The Squid Game.
Again, don't question earlier. I may have dementia.
Not.
Yo, I think he likes this game.
No, the cycles for Hunter is counting down.
Oh, it's counting down.
Yeah,
Oh.
to when he sustains his rot infection and becomes Hunter Longlegs. What to play, what to play. I really hate this. I really hate this campaign.
No, I think he really likes Rivulet.
Do you think?
I think he really likes them. I think he really likes that campaign.
There's this thing. Don't ask why there's a 3D thing there.
3D thing in a 2D plane. I think he also likes the monk.
Don't judge me!
That was random.
Don't judge me. I like monkey.
He means monk.
I like the monk. Oh wait, I should probably not do that.
Hold up, folks. We gotta do something.
Oh wait,
We are back.
I am back, folks. Don't question why I'm using cheat. I don't have the attention span to do this normally.
He's just bad. Trust.
Yeah, that's too.
But who am I to judge? I am also bad.
Is this the real life? Or is this just a fantasy?
If we get copyright strikes, it's your fault.
Caught in a landslide. No escape from reality.
Well, it could also be me because I just started singing Your Reality.
Is this the real life? Or just a fantasy? Come. Yo, the captain! I believe this leads up east. Time to go up east. Worl.
Engineer gaming.
Get Worl, take Worl.
Yo, guys, do you think he's engineer gaming?
That, oh, it's black world. We. Okay, whatever. Oh right, I forgot I have blizzard eggs. Push to mail won't work for me, and I'm very sad about that. Oh, I was honestly about to fall.
So good.
It's a tap of water in this diet. I have no idea where I'm going.
Stay hydrated.
Remember, folks, the rock consumes. Phases through the bar.
Wow, wow, without reason.
There's a rain on the street earlier.
Beam.
And I pelted him with multiple beams, and I ruined the thing for the entire Twitch chat.
Yeah. And don't forget the Doritos.
Don't forget the Doritos. Never forget the Doritos. I am evil. Don't forget the Doritos. I think I'm backtracking.
I think.
Shut up.
Are you sure?
Pretty sure. Your trash bag into space. Alright, I need food.
No, I think that was a reference.
You think? I'm flying.
Yo, I think he likes the music, which I cannot hear.
No, it's not that. There's a thing that replaces all threat music in the game with funny flute sound.
Huh.
And it's very funny and it's very nice. Takes a dip in water.
Yes, a dip.
Oh, I was too far.
I don't think you went in the pipe. I think you went to
I think I went into the pipe.
the abyss. From Hollow Knight.
Oh my god. Do a flip. Do a triple backflip. I did triple backflip.
That was not a triple backflip.
Alright, what's this?
No, I don't think you're doing it. Oh, there we go.
Yo, I did a backflip. I figured out how to point. Point.
Yeah, I think this is taking a while.
You think?
Oh, it's finally opening.
Open the door. I'm gonna throw rocks through your windows at night.
He has threatened that to me multiple times.
I have threatened 5 pebbles.
5 pebbles.
I have threatened 5 pebbles. Also, spoilers, because 5 pebbles is like big AI. Big robot. Is that silent construct? Bro, time to not pay the scabs. I'm not giving you a portal and not paying you Toral. I'm sorry. Are you dead?
He actually.
Yeah, he died.
He died?
Whatever. I revived him using the power of magic. Huzzah. Bonus stuff.
Just slams him into a wall and fucking dies.
Yeah, we gotta.
Oh. think you stretched him out.
He definitely died.
Fellows, he has not been in the game even.
I'm a very cheater. I love
My
mods.
guess is he has gone close to being in the game, but not like fully being in the game.
I am actually like really close to getting to beating the game.
Alright.
And it's with this save.
Ah. So you're just finishing up?
Basically, yeah. Vulture? No. No vulture. Bad vulture. Animal
He's
Crossing.
not dead yet, so we're good. I think you slammed him against a wall right there. I knew that he survived.
Yeah, you gotta do it like really fast.
Yeah.
Animal Crossing. But I run. Things to do in 5 pebbles. Number 5. Leave.
Pebbles.
What?
Number 5. Pebbles. Every day I imagine a future
Shut
where
up. Shut
I
up.
can be
Shut
with
up.
you.
Shut up. No, I don't want to get copyrighted. This.
Yo, I think he died. Oh, you sent him 2 screens away. Ooh.
There's another one coming.
His name might just be John Cena.
I sent him 2 screens away.
Dead.
Who are you drowning? Who are you drowning?
That's me, totally. The one being drowned. Hey, another one.
I gotta get something.
Food.
Yep, exactly. I need myself neurons.
Neurons.
Shower him with food.
Food.
Make him obese.
Make him glorbus. Well, I think that's a little extra.
Come on. You know you want to eat it.
Oh, he does get fatter. Is that because of mod?
Yeah, it's a mod.
Alright.
It's called Rotund World.
He's a little fat. He goes there so slowly.
He's fat, that's why.
Yeah, I know, but god damn.
Alright, guys. Thank you for watching this thing. And we totally won't with a thing on the top of the screen that goes across the screen. And then we'll take you to a URL.
Totally won't.
Totally.
Ugh.